As you can see here, Hostinger has just launched a brand new sale where you can grab one of the best deals available right now. Plus, get a few extra months free on select plans. If you visit the Hostinger website without any special link or coupon code, you'll only see the regular pricing. To access the limited time special discount, simply click the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the Hostinger website, choose a plan that fits your needs. For example, let's go with the first one listed, called the Premium Plan, and click the Choose Plan button. Next, give it a few seconds to load the full plans page. Here, you'll find all the details laid out clearly. You'll also notice that the biggest savings come with the 24-month or 48-month plans. But if you prefer a shorter option, the 12-month plan is still available. Just keep in mind that the 1-month plan doesn't include any discounts. Say you want to go for the 48-month plan to get the biggest discount. Just choose that plan and you'll see a section where you can enter your coupon code. Please note that Hostinger may update their website layout or plan pages occasionally. So, the design might look slightly different depending on your location or device. Still, you'll be able to apply the code and receive the discount. Take a moment to look at the original price before applying the discount. Then enter the Hostinger coupon code into the field provided. Don't worry, I'll also include the code in the video description so you can easily copy and paste it. As you'll see, the price drops right after entering the coupon code, giving you a great deal of savings compared to the original price. All available plans now reflect the lower discounted pricing. Again, just a reminder that Hostinger can change their pricing, plan names, or design from time to time. At the moment, they're also offering 2 extra months free with certain plans. So, like I mentioned earlier, check the special link in the video description to see the latest offers. Choose the plan you like best, enter the coupon code I mentioned, and go ahead with your purchase. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And take care of yourself and your family.